Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Klaviyo SMS campaigns for US customer retention. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the campaigns section in the left-hand menu. Select Create Campaign to start a new SMS campaign. Choose SMS campaign as your campaign type. Provide a relevant name for your campaign that reflects its purpose. Click on Create Campaign to proceed to the next screen. Now, define your audience by selecting the segment that targets US customers. Filter your audience based on their engagement level and preferences. Next, craft your SMS message content. Ensure your message is clear and concise, aligning with your branding. Add personalization elements, such as the customer's first name, to enhance engagement. Include a compelling call to action that encourages immediate responses. Review the regulatory guidelines for SMS marketing in the US. Incorporate an opt-out option within your message to comply with regulations. After finalizing the content, set the campaign schedule. Choose whether to send it immediately or at a later, optimized time. Preview your SMS message to check for any errors or formatting issues. Once satisfied with the preview, proceed to the next stage by clicking Next. Review your campaign settings, including the selected audience and delivery time. Finally, click on Launch Campaign to send your SMS to your targeted US customers. Monitor the campaign performance using Klaviyo's analytics tools. Analyze metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and opt-outs. Use this data to refine future campaigns and improve customer retention strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.